Today I wanted to share a recipe for a cough medicine. I used this cough medicine when my children were growing up, and because it has no preservative or alcohol, you can drink it every 2 hours if you want. So basically it's super simple. You're gonna need honey, lemon, and garlic. So, and one other thing is that I know now many people are gonna need cough medicine, and if you have like high blood pressure, then this is perfect because, like me, I can't drink certain cough medicine, so this works. So what I do is just kind of place a couple of garlics, the whole thing, the fresh, and then you take the lemon. I'm cutting it up, like peeling it, and then I'm gonna take the seeds out and put it in here, and then you just pour some honey into it. Now I used, this is local honey in here in Brevard, North Carolina, and I think it's better. Once you put all that in here and you pour your honey into it, just as much as you want or a little bit, and put your lemon in there after you take the seeds out, then it looks like this. This is what it looks like. So, and then you take a spoonful, and it's, I mean, probably the taste, you gotta get used to it, but I tell you, it works for the lungs to clear asthma and for any other cough problems. Or so I hope this works for you. Try it. God bless you.